Control number 42475, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Marisa Manalastas. I am 38 years old and I am married. I have 4 kids. The age is 20, 18, 12, and 11. And I have 9 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the 7th child.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate in Caduantete High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For the future of my baby, support my family and myself.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in UAE 2 years, Bahrain 2 years and 3 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
I do change diaper, give food, and change clothes.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I do cook.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I do cook Arabic food like sambusa, biryani, and matchbus. And also I cook Filipino dishes like a menudo and adobo.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
Honest and responsible.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I tell sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear ma'am, sir, I do my best. And if you choose me for domestic helper, I will do my best in 2 years, more than, and thank you.